Good morning, children. Quadratic equation exercise 4.1, question number 2. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. The area of a rectangular plot is 428 meters squared. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So here the length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. Therefore you have to assume the breadth of the rectangular plot. Let the breadth of the rectangular plot be x meter. Therefore the length is, it is given 1 more than twice its breadth. Twice its breadth is 2x, 1 more than is plus 1. So 2x plus 1 meter is the length and x meter is the breadth. Then area of plot, it is a rectangular plot, so for length into breadth, that is 2x plus 1 into x. 2x into x is 2x squared plus x. But the question it is given, the area of the rectangular plot is 528. Therefore 2x squared plus x is 528. 2x squared plus x. This 528 to this side minus 528 equal to 0, which is the required quadratic equation. Required quadratic equation. If you solve this quadratic equation, you get the value of 2. Here this quadratic equation decreases to, so you have already learned that quadratic equation has at most 2 solutions. So therefore you will get the values of x2 and you have to substitute and see which one is the correct answer. That we will learn it later. So this is the quadratic equation. When you solve this equation, you will get the length and breadth of the rectangular plot. So next question, second. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find out the integers. Two consecutive positive integers means one after the other. Suppose one positive integer you take it as x, the next integer is x plus 1. The product is 306. Therefore, two consecutive positive integers are x and x plus 1. Their product is x into x plus 1, that is equal to 306. So it is x into x is x squared, x into 1 is x, that is 306. X squared plus x minus 306 is 0. This is the quadratic equation. When you solve it, you get the two positive integers x and x plus 1. Next one, third question. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of the age in 3 years from now will be 306. So whenever you do the age problem, first you have to write the present age. Therefore Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Therefore you have to take the present age of Rohan is x and Rohan's mother's present age is x plus 26. Present age of Rohan is X years, present age of his mother 26 years older than him, so X plus 26. After 3 years, age of Rohan. So what is the age of Rohan? After 3 years, X plus 3. So after 3 years, age of mother is X plus 26 plus 3, that is X plus 29. Then it is given here the product of their age in 3 years from now will be 360. After 3 years, the product of their age is 360. Therefore, X plus 3 into X plus 29 equal to 306. This X into X is X squared, X into 29 is 29X, plus 3 into X is 3X, plus 3 into 29. 3 into 29 is 87 equal to 360. You bring this one to here. X squared plus 29X plus 3X is 32X, plus 87 minus 360 is 0. X squared plus 32X, 87, 360 minus 87, that is 275, minus 273 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation, required quadratic equation to solve this solution, to find the solution of this equation. Next one, fourth one. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 3 km per hour less, it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So you learn the speed is equal to distance by time. The distance traveled, what is the distance traveled here? Distance traveled by the train is 480 kilometer. And this 480 kilometer, first you travel with this uniform speed. Therefore, so let the uniform speed is X kilometer per hour. Then time taken with the uniform speed. With uniform speed, here you know T is equal to D by S. D is 480. Yes, the speed is X. 480 by X is the time taken with the uniform speed. Next one, the question it is given. The speed had been 8 km per hour less. Therefore, you write down the decreased speed. Decreased speed is 8 km per less means X minus 8. Then time taken with the decreased speed. Again, it is distance by speed. Distance is 480. Now here the speed is X minus 8. So here the first one is the time taken, you have taken as T1. This one time taken, you take it as T2. Therefore, 480 by X and 480 minus this one, the speed is less. Therefore, speed is less means the time taken will be more. So, T2 minus T1. The difference in time, it is given 3 hours more to cover. Therefore, the difference in time is 3. Here, 480 by X minus 8 minus 480 by X equal to 3. 480 you take it out. 1 by X minus 8 minus 1 by X is 3. This 480 to this side, 3 by 480. This is x into x minus 8 is LCM. This x is here minus. So after minus x minus 8, you should write it in the bracket. So it is x minus minus plus 8. This is x squared minus 8x. This will be cancelled. 3160 by 160. This x and x cancel. So this one 8 by x squared minus 8x is equal to 1 by 160. Cross multiplication, x squared minus 8x is equal to 8 into 160. 120, you bring this one to here. X squared minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. Therefore, this is the required quadratic equation.